Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today I will guide you step by step on how to add or update your bio in the Roblox app on your Android phone. Adding a bio helps others learn more about you and personalize your profile. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your Android phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the More option. Then, from the menu that appears, select Profile. After that, tap on the Edit Profile button. Now, scroll down to find the About section. Here, you can type your bio or update it as you like. Finally, don't forget to tap Save to apply the changes. That's it. You have successfully added or updated your bio on Roblox using your Android phone. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.